You've caused all this pain and death for us. So, we thought we'd return the favor.
Stop. Death is too good for him. But death is exactly what he wants. Isn't it, Mr. Afton? This is not death, but it is exactly what you deserve.
If he is kept alive, we cannot rest.
Like I said, death is too good for him.
What about us?
That is not relevant.
Whoa, didn't see that coming.
She is correct. Afton does not deserve to die. He must pay for his doings.
Oh, you guys, what's happened to you?
We've been busy. Burning.
But that's not the point. The point is that Afton shouldn't be allowed to die. Not after what he's done.
Oh, so you're helping him now?
Not helping him. Just keeping him alive.
Is all this really worth it? I understand your anger, but...
If you did, you wouldn't be killing him so soon.
Hey, look, so sorry to interrupt, but we've got some company.